Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Montreal chicken seasoning. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks for joining us today. If this is your first time being here, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also be sure to go down to the description box below and check out the recipe that I've got there and a ton of groovy links that I think you'll enjoy. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Montreal chicken seasoning. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for it. We're going to start out with a half a cup of coarse black pepper, a quarter cup of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of dehydrated garlic, 2 tablespoons of dehydrated onion, 1.5 tablespoon of paprika, 1.5 tablespoon of dill seed, and 1/2 tablespoon of orange peel. Let's start mixing it up. All right, get a bowl big enough. This does yield a 1 1/4 cup. So we're gonna get a bowl big enough to carry all of this stuff in here, and we're gonna mix it up as well. Add your pepper, your salt, your garlic, your onion, your paprika, your dill seeds, and your orange peel. You can zest some orange peel and then let it dry out and use that, but I've got this orange peel that I've got at some McCormick's brand, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that. This will work. Now you've got your seasonings in the bowl. You can go ahead and mix it all up, and you've got the seasoning, but we're going to take it one step further. You can grind it up in a mortar and pestle, or you can do what we're going to do, and that's put it into a small food mill, like so. And we're just going to grind this real quick. We're not going to turn it into a dust. We're just going to break up a lot of the seeds and the coarseness of all the spices, just so those flavors can marry. Got everything in our food mill. Let me go ahead. I just want to break them up a little bit. Like I said, I don't want to make a dust. I just want to make all of those large crystals of seasoning break up a little bit, because that's going to distribute a little more flavor into it. Now just like that. You can kind of see that difference with what we've got here. And I can smell the aroma coming off that as well, so that is really, really good. Let's go ahead and bottle this up, take some great photos, and come back and talk about this. Well, there it is. This, like I said, this yields a 1 1/4 cup of the seasoning after you grind it up or before you grind it up, either way. But the recipe is down below in the description box, along with other groovy links that I told you about. But keep your seasoning in a nice sealed container and out of the sunlight, and it'll last for a long time. This probably won't, because it's going to get used. Use it on chicken, you can use it on vegetables, you can use it on other meats as well, but it's mainly a chicken seasoning. So thanks a lot for watching. We made Montreal chicken seasoning. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to share this video with everybody you know. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.